Welcome to the world of Phylum Chordata. From tiny landslits to massive blue whales, this diverse group includes fish, reptiles, and mammals. And yes, that includes us.
Includes animals that possess certain characteristic features. These include a dorsal nerve cord. Examples include fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and of course, birds and mammals. Chordates are defined by a notochord. This flexible rod provides body support. In vertebrates, it becomes the backbone. It is replaced by the vertebral column. All chordates share a dorsal hollow nerve cord. It is located on the backside of the body. In vertebrates, it develops into the brain and spinal cord. This structure forms the central nervous system. Pharyngeal gill slits are openings in the pharynx. They are present at some stage of development. In aquatic chordates, pharyngeal slits are vital for respiration. Water flows through them, allowing for oxygen exchange. But in terrestrial vertebrates, they develop into structures like the jaw and inner ear.
A post-anal tail extends beyond the anus. It helps in movement and balance. It is reduced or absent in some species, like humans.
In primitive chordates, the endostyle aids in filter feeding. Over vertebrate evolution, it modified into the thyroid gland. Now, it regulates our metabolism. In chordates, bilateral symmetry allows the body to be divided into two equal halves along one plane. Their triploblastic body, three germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm.
Chordates are coelomate animals. They possess a true body cavity called a coelom. They also feature a closed circulatory system, where blood is pumped by a well-developed heart.
In the phylum Chordata, sexes are typically separate. Most species are dioecious, reproducing sexually. Chordata is a diverse phylum. It's split into three subphyla. First, we find Urochordata. Second is Cephalochordata. And third, the familiar Vertebrata. Urochordates are unique marine animals. Their notochord is found only in the larval tail. Adults are mostly sessile, covered by a tunic. Examples include Ascidia, Salpa, and Doliolum. Cephalochordates are marine, fish-like animals. Their notochord extends from head to tail throughout life. In vertebrates, the notochord is replaced by a spine. A complex brain is enclosed in a skull. A closed circulatory system. Paired appendages like fins or limbs are present. This is the subphylum Vertebrata. Vertebrata is divided into 7 classes: Osteichthyostithyus and Amphibia, Titia, followed by Aves, and finally, class Mammalia. Cyclostomata are primitive jawless vertebrates. They have eel-like bodies and cartilaginous skeletons. Examples include parasitic lampreys and scavenging hagfish. Chondrichthyus are jawed fish. They have a cartilaginous endoskeleton. Their skin is covered in placoid scales. Lacking a swim bladder, they must swim to stay afloat. Examples include sharks and rays.
Bony fish possess a rigid endoskeleton of bone, an operculum covers the gills, and a swim bladder controls their buoyancy. Rohu, catla, and the unique seahorse.
Amphibians live on land and in water. They have moist skin. They breathe through both lungs and their skin. Examples include frogs, toads, and salamanders. Class Reptilia have dry, scaly skin. They use lungs for respiration, and they lay leathery shelled eggs. Examples include the snake and the lizard, as well as the turtle and crocodile. Class Aves animals are defined by having bodies covered with feathers. Their forelimbs are modified into wings, and they are warm-blooded. Examples include the pigeon, crow, sparrow, and peacock. Mammals are defined by having hair on their bodies and mammary glands to nourish their young. From tiny bats to massive whales, humans are part of this amazing group too. Like this video if you love amazing chordates. Share this knowledge with all your fellow animal lovers. Subscribe to explore the incredible animal kingdom with us. Join our growing community today.